One of our demands is that the national government, through the Ministry of Health, must issue letters to all our UHC nurses immediately. Another demand is that county government of Elgeyo Marakwet, through the Public Service Board, must confirm all the nurses who are on contract to permanent and pensionable. Yeah. Reason being, we have acute shortage of nurses. We have had nurses who have exceeded the service, but they have never been replaced. So, which is a disservice to the people of Elgeyo Marakwet.